Hey guys, Sam here with Express Steel. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to swap out your tracks on your mini skid steer. You're going to start by removing this bolt and nut. You'll take a 1/2-inch ratchet and loosen the track. Once loosened, you'll want to relieve the pressure on your front roller by pushing it back. Then you'll want to remove your track. Check all of your undercarriage parts. Put your new track on and you'll want to drive it forward. This will allow your track to get in place. Once your new track is on, take the 1/2-inch ratchet and tighten the new track. Replace the nut and bolt, and you're done.